Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 48. Dear students, today we will learn about addition. Look at this picture. We are 5 boys and 2 girls in the park. How many children we are there altogether? The only thing you have to do is to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on your fingertips. Then add 1 and 2 in forward counting. That will show that there are 7 children altogether in the park. Respectable teachers and parents explain the concept of addition to the children by counting numbers in forward counting or counting through writing numbers. Tell them that a plus sign is added between numbers to add them and an equal symbol after them to write the total number in addition. Practically demonstrate the concept of addition by placing and adding different objects on the table, counting them again and again. Ask the children to practice addition and tell the sum. Encourage them for their keen interest and great efforts. Thank you.